So today is the first day of the competition. We are just out from the hotel and now we are going straight to the track. Skyliner! We need to fix the taillight. We have a great way how to fix it. Orange, red paint. We need something to cover the things which we don't want to paint. Yes, should do the job. And it's ready. The cardboard doesn't work. It was simply too hard for us to do it with the cardboard, so we decided to do it with this bubbly, flubbly foil. Yeah. So we are after the first layer, and it still looks rubbish.
More alignment, James. More alignment. Busy day today. Yeah, but she's looking good. It was in some pretty big little bangs at the last round, and we took the subframe off the rear today, and we straightened the rear subframe points and put a new steering arm on the front and just squared her all up again. At the last round I thought that it was never really bending stuff, and then I bent a lot of stuff, so I should watch what shit I thought. Alignment is okay. Yeah, Peter's tires for FD. Just about to start practice.
Yes,
Last round.
last round. It looks fun. Come.
Oh my god, where did you get the idea? It is a work of art.
Isn't it? It's
How long will it last?
Oh! Practice start! Today's practice before the competition, Mad Mike was chasing me, and after the initiation there was a contact because of which I actually broke few parts in the car. We are just replacing it, checking it, everything is what is wrong and what can stay without have to be replaced. And yeah, hopefully in a few minutes we'll be ready to go again.
Hello. How are you?
How are you, my friend? It was interesting practice for you, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was like driving an S14 with an SR20 again. No power.
From the beginning, yeah. That's true.
We went out for my first run. I thought the nitrous wasn't working. The car was really down in power.
Yeah.
For the second run we logged the data and the boost was just over 1 bar. So
Okay.
it was down quite a lot. Then we tried turning up the boost.
Oh no!
Just stuck together with bubblegum, basically. Chewing gum. Not sure if this is gonna work.
It's gonna work.
What do you feel? Are you confident?
Yeah, I'm very positive. Chewing gum forever.
Bubblegum doesn't work. It lasted going down the straight and popped again, coming into the first corner, so.
What are you doing, mate? What's going on here, mate?
This thing is held together with Bubblegum.
Shall we go?
Nice first run. I better get ready. So, good luck, man. Awesome. Peter's second qualifying run was absolutely awesome. Woo! Awesome work. Your line was literally on the edge everywhere.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that was exciting from the second. It was too much. In the last, before the last, on the last now before that.
Here.
Oh no!
Awesome.
Oh no! Oh, thank you, man.
Good job, man. We're gonna get our power back for tomorrow.
Whoa, that's bright.
That looks better than chewing gum.
Fixed.
We should have our power.
Well, we're trying. we tried our best.
Thanks very much, man.
No worries, man.
Appreciate it.
It's a pleasure.
Looking forward to tomorrow already.
So much.
More boost.
More boost.
Go, man. We have the parade.
Oh, there. Okay. Whoa, man. Thank you. Okay. Okay, I will move. Thank you. It's there. Oh, McCann. It's a race. I wasn't expecting, to be honest, that people would be that friendly. Everybody wants to simply, you know, have a chat with you, joke, and simply have fun. So that's a very good. What would you like to say? Hello. Enjoy the show. Oh man, my heart was simply want to go out of my chest before that. Good job. James is just after arriving after the battle for the final, which he won actually. Amazing job, my friend. Great driving. Looks like we'll see in the final.
So it's a replay of the first one.
I would say this one was more exhausting, to be honest.
Man, it's a crazy weekend.
It was.
Congrats.
Oh, thank you, man. And look who was our operator. Thanks, man. You're the best.
Thank you, man. But you don't know what the exhaust is, that's for sure.
Yeah, all the heck yes. Wow, that looks like it's off a Type
Muffler.
VTEC.
Yeah.
No rotary.